asset liability, newer concept. Classically, accountants know for an asset there should be equivalent liability. For example, if I have borrowed 10 lakhs rupees, it is liability, and the asset side I own a building which is worth 10 lakhs. But the latest concept of asset liability matching is having deeper principles. They have three concepts. One, not only the amounts should match, but also the interest rate should match. If I have borrowed at a X rate and if I am lending at a rate lower than X, then interest rate is not matching. It should be more than X. Second, the term match. If I have borrowed for 3 years and if my asset is valid only for 2 years, then there is the term mismatch. The term must be almost equal to each other. The third is the risk match. The liability which I have created, if it is from very risky source, maybe from a smuggler, maybe from non-descriptive source, then it is risky. On the contrary, if the asset is having high risk, like I have put in volatile chemicals, then high risk. Therefore, the risk must also match. The newer concept of asset liability match, therefore, consists of term match, interest rate match, and risk match, apart from amount match.